Welcome back, dear students of class 6. Today we are going to do the lab session of the chapter 8 HTML and introduction. So let us quickly begin with it. Now students, in this lab session we are going to create a web page using the HTML, okay, to give the description about the endangered species. Okay students, what basically we are going to do is we are going to design this particular web page with the help of HTML. Okay students, so how it is to be done? The instructions are given over here. Give the title to the web page as endangered species. So how to do this? Let us see that. So first thing that we need to do is open the notepad. So let's open the notepad. Now inside this notepad, we need to write the HTML tag. Okay. It doesn't matter if you write in capital or small. Okay. Now inside the HTML tag, the first tag that we write is head tag. Now inside the head tag, we write the title tag. Okay. Now they are saying that you need to give the title to the web page as endangered species. Okay. So I'll just write endangered species. Okay. And now let us close the title tag. And now after closing the title tag, we need to close the head tag as well. Okay, so let us close the head tag. And now the first instruction has been done. And now whatever we are going to do, the further coding, whatever we'll do, that will be done in this after this head tag from the body tag. So our first instruction is done to give the title of the web page as endangered species. The next is set the top margin to 100 and left and right margin of the web page to 200. Okay, so how to do that? Let's do it. We need to go to the body tag, as we know that top margin, left margin, right margin and bottom margin are all the attributes of body tag. So the first thing, let's go with top margin equals to, they are telling we need to give top margin as 100. So let's give top margin as 100. Then a space after top margin, left margin. How much left margin? They are saying the left margin and right margin need to be 200 each. So left margin is 200. Then right margin. Right margin needs to be how much? It needs to be 200 again. Okay students, so this instruction is also dealt with. Okay, the next instruction is set the background color of the web page to yellow. So this is yellow, so let us do that also. Now you know that in order to set the background color, we need to use the bg color attribute. So bg color equals to, they are saying it, the color should be yellow. So this is also done. So what we have done, we have done that the title is endangered species, top margin is 100, left margin is 200, right margin is also 200 and bg color is yellow. So we have performed all the first three instructions. Now they are saying to apply the heading level 1 to the text endangered species. So this, okay, to this text in the body, okay, and its font color should be blue. So font color is blue and heading level is H1. So let's do that. Come inside this body and then we need to first write endangered species. Okay, and they have said that the heading that we need to use is H1. Okay, because heading tags are our container tags, that's why it should have this closing heading level tag also. So H1 close. Now they are saying that the color, the endangered species, its font color is to be blue. Okay, so let's use the font tag as well. Font and then its attribute color equals to BLUE, blue. Okay, so this is done. Font, and now over here we'll close the font tag. We need to close this font tag. Okay, now see students, first H1 tag was open and then font tag was open. Okay, so whichever tag is open first, that tag closes at the last. Okay, so this rule I hope you remember. Now the next one is, so this instruction is also done. Now they are saying apply heading level 2 to the text house sparrow. Okay, now see, all this text we have to write all this text also. Okay, we have to write all this text also. So I've already typed it somewhere and I will just copy it. Okay, so below this house endangered species, in the next line I need to write this. Now uh, you can clearly see that this is a paragraph. Okay, from year to year it's a paragraph. So for that we need to use the p tag. Okay, we need to use the p tag. Now inside this p tag I'll type uh, whatever they have given. Okay, now students, I've already uh, typed this in the this. I just need to copy it, but you guys have to type it on your own. Okay, so inside this p I'll just paste this species that are on the verge of extinction, this part till endangered. Okay, now you know that this endangered over here is written as in bold, so we need to find out where that endangered part is, this, and make it bold with the help of b tag, and then close the b tag over here. And now we need to close the p tag also, p, which is the first paragraph, because we have opened a paragraph over here, right? Okay, and over here we need to use a br. Okay, no need to use br right now. Okay, so this is the first paragraph, this is our first paragraph. We are done till here. Okay, now this, regarding this house sparrow, apply heading level 2 to the text house sparrow and reasons for house sparrow. uh, Set the font color equal to red. Okay, so this and this we have to give it heading level 2 and its color to be red. So let us do that. So after this we need to open a new paragraph, and inside this new paragraph we need to write house sparrow. Okay, I have already typed it here, house sparrow. Now you they are telling us to make the heading level 2, so I'll type h2, and then I'll close h2 over here, and then I'll close the paragraph. Okay, so this house para for me is also a paragraph. Now it's time to make a new paragraph. Why new paragraph? Because see, this is a paragraph from year to year. Okay, from birds to one of them, and then this is a new paragraph. So let's do that. So I've opened a new paragraph over here. Now I need to just copy this from here to here. Now obviously you guys have to type this on your own. Okay, and then I will close the paragraph. Now see students, whichever text is bold, we need to make it bold over here. So as you can see over here, this 9934 is bold, so we need to make it bold using the b tag. So find wherever 9934 is written, so it's written over here, so make it bold. Then again close the bold tag. Okay, then the same thing we have to do it with this. Okay, so see, till here it is bold, and then this house sparrow is often one of them, so house sparrow has to be bold, so this part. Okay students, So we have finished. Did we? Yeah. Now we have finished till here. Now we need to open a new paragraph from year to year, and sparrows part will be bold. So let's open a new paragraph. So I have opened the new paragraph, and I'm just going to copy this text of the new paragraph over here. Okay, and then close the paragraph over here. And now this sparrows part is to be bold. So I'll just use the B tag, and then here I'll close the B tag. Okay, so now we are done till here. So this part is also done. Which part? Till here, hazards. Now, reasons for dislocation of sparrows. Now you know we have to uh, reason for dislocation of sparrows has to be in heading level 2. Okay, so this has to be the heading level 2. So let us create one more paragraph for this P and then H2. Okay, and then I'll just first close the H2 tag, and then inside this I'll copy that reasons for this. So reasons for the dislocation of sparrows. This part I'll copy from here. You guys have to type it, and then I'll close the paragraph. See, important part is you need to see where the paragraphs are starting and ending. Now, this from non availability to this, it should be in your this. It should be in one line, and again it needs to be in heading level 2 and red color. So one thing that I have missed in this coding is that I have not given red color. So let me give the red color also to this. Okay, so we to this heading we need to give red color, that I forgot. So I'll just write font color equals to red. Okay, and now I need to close the font tag as well. Okay, so I've closed the font tag. Same thing I have to do with this reasons also. Okay, so I'll open the font tag over here and close the font tag. Reasons. In this section also I have to close the font tag. Okay, now students, what we need to do? Now we need to uh, get this first reason. Now again, this first reason, it has to be in this heading level 2. So what I'll do, I will use a new h2 heading level 2 tag, h2 tag, and then type this. Okay students, and then over here I'll write br. Why br? Because from here you can see that it's a line break from vegetation. It's the line break. Okay students, now the next part still remain needs to be in h2 and its color. So what I'll do, I'll just remove this h2 from here and this h2 from here. Okay, so this entire thing will be in h2 and its color. From here I'll remove this font tag as well. Okay, I'll just remove this font tag from here. Now students, what we need to do is the excessive use of mosquito repellents. So uh, that needs to be in the new line. Okay, so what I need to do is uh, okay, this part again I'll copy from here and I'll paste it over here. Okay, then again over here I'll put br. Why? Because we need a line break from here to here. Next line concrete, then we'll go to the next line and then we'll type this again br, because we need to come to the next line, and now we don't need any brs. Just come to the next and just copy, just type this, and we are done. Now see students, from here this is a paragraph, okay? But this H2 font color equals to red. I'll copy from here and I'll paste it over here, okay? And then now see, I need to close this H2 over here, okay? I need to close this H2 over here, and then I need to close the font tag as well, okay? So what I'll do, I'll close H2, then the P, then H2 and font tag. The font tag over here is closed, but the same thing I need to do it over here, because see this H2 and font tag, okay? So H2 is closed. Now I need to close the font tag over here, and we are done. Now the only thing to be closed is the body tag and HTML tag, okay? So remember to close all your tags properly according to the rules, and then the HTML. And now let's see the output, and now let's check the output. First let's save it, lab session .html, okay? Now I'll just save it in the desktop, and let's check our output. You can see that this is how our output is showing, and it is almost what it is, almost like this, which we wanted to see. Yes, this is how we wanted to see it, and this is how it is appearing. So this is what we wanted. So with this, your this particular lab session is done with. Okay. So students, I hope you understood everything over here is coming properly as it is required. This is in blue color, this is in red color, this is heading level 1, this is heading level 2, and so on. Okay students, so this is how you people are going to perform your lab session. Okay, and after completing this lab session, do uh, show me your lab sessions on the WhatsApp group. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for listening. Take care of yourself and be well.